Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see if you can safely and thoroughly cook 2 eggs in a microwave. So we have our 2 eggs. Okay, so as you can see, these are 2 raw, completely uncooked eggs. And I'm going to pop them in the microwave. Two eggs in the microwave, still raw and uncooked. Start out at 3 minutes. We'll see what 3 minutes does. Starting to get a little white in there, I think. Wow, look at that. It's actually getting cooked. Let's turn the plate. Okay. One seems to be cooked quite well. The other one, not so well. I don't want a big mess in my microwave, because then that means I just have to clean up a big mess. And they definitely seem to be cooked quite a bit. Let me clean off a spatula. And Let's see if I can flip them. We'll see if I can flip these over. I do not particularly care for sunny side up eggs. No, bottom of the plate's kind of hot. But that's to be expected because, I mean, they did come out of a microwave, so. Maybe we can flip it. Wow. That is cooked pretty well. Ooh, got a piece of hair in there. Shedding like a kitty cat. Well, I'd say they're cooked quite well. And we still have 43 seconds left. So, I'm just gonna leave well enough alone and try the eggs that I cooked in the microwave. Little bit of salt. So, fork. And here goes nothing. Looks like it's quite cooked through and through. Here goes nothing. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. It's a little sticky on the plate. I didn't put any kind of grease or oil or anything on it. But it's definitely not bad. I can definitely eat this without cringing or spitting up or coughing or gagging or anything. And I'm able to cut with my fork quite well. Pretty good. So there you have it. It's a little tough in some areas, but you definitely can cook eggs in the microwave, setting it on 3 minutes with 43 seconds left to spare. Whoops. Wrong button. So, there you have it. You can cook 2 eggs in a microwave completely and thoroughly and safely. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you next time. Gotta fly.